multi-level catalog that we have built for customers. And then going to the online experience. So this is where I would like to bring the concept of productization here. See, this is done for a small yoga center or a fitness center, where they do kind of consulting, they do kind of tracking, and they do kind of a diet plan and all. So typically the diet plan goes into multiple phases and multiple levels of activity. Like there is a schedule, they have to follow the schedule, they have to report the schedule has to be looked at, the details are to be tracked. So two examples I will show here is like the water tracker. So every day, right from the start, at what time the person has taken the water, he can just come here and record. It's more like any of the standard healthcare apps or health related apps. So this is a very simple implementation, but we have done it so that it's of ease of use for them. And we also done the kind of implementation for a diet update. So typically the diet can start for that customer or that person from the morning early meal and all the remarks and all, and it can go all the way to various levels of meals, then the breakfast, then the lunch, then the snacks and the dinner, and then the post workout. So all these details can be stored by the customer at any point of time, and all these details can be retrieved by the dietitian parallelly at the same time. And similarly, we also given a consultation menu where we have linked the Gmail calendar of the consultant. So this is like a live calendar for his clinic itself. So whoever, whenever they try to raise a request here, it can be directly going to the Google Calendar, and it will be sharing there. And the same invite will be sent to the patient as well. So that way, his appointments are also taken care, and it is in sync with the emails and the Google Calendar. Similarly, finally, the bill, whatever happens or whatever the details are collected, we can bring out a facility here by selecting the patient. We can get all the details and we can auto generate the bill. And this bill can automatically go to the patient's or users, his end user's Gmail account. So this way we have saved a lot of paper as well, and we have made it so efficient that this dietitian can run his health clinic from anywhere at any point of time. So this is exactly what I was talking of productization. Yes, there are many dietitians in the world, there are many challenges, but when they try to present this kind of interface, which is more creative to their patients, it is very easy for them. And also, the easiness comes from the application. So if the dietitian would like to share any of the patients the link, what she has to do, she has just go here, add the patient and save. Automatically the link goes to the patient and he can install and he can start accessing the app. So this friendly is what we have brought in. I mean, the complete service has been enabled to go online, and we have productized this entirely from all directions. And this is where, if you can go further, this is how it looks like. What are the consultings they had? What are the bills that were generated for that customer? And if there is any other tracking menus, they can add here directly. So like this, this is a complete example of a productization.